Well, I got another farm done. Grandpa and the hired man got the Brosey farm done. It's the one we moved to in the last video. Hired man already got him moved over to the Wagner farm. That's where we're headed now. It's one of the farms that Danny owned. We got beans on half of it and corn on the other half. And hired man's already cutting, getting one spot cleaned out. I'm bringing the other head in. Grandpa's bringing the combine. He took a little shortcut. It's easier to take a combine through it than it is down through here. And this is easier to take a head through than it is to cut through, because, well, these wagons kind of like to wander off like that, kind of snaking, like what my grandpa calls it. But we're about there. We just gotta go through a little rough road. They put a big old box rock on it, and it's a pain to cross. The only thing it's good for is holding the road together, but driving wise, ain't worth driving on. But I'm about there. We'll get her hooked up and we'll get them beans knocked out, no problem. We gotta get the trucks moved over yet, but that won't take us too terribly long. Oh, we got somebody up here with 4,000 deer. Well, those are blade on the front too. I saw it earlier. It's kind of neat. I'm cutting. Hired man's got a full hopper. Grandpa went and got the truck. These beans, they were doing pretty good. Over there must have been pretty good for no more than hired man cut. He just cut 2 rounds around this patch here, as much as he's got over there, and he's got a full hopper. Heck, as soon as Grandpa left to go get the semi, he made about one more pass and he was full. So beans are doing pretty good on this farm. Kind of surprised with the result. Yeah, my patch is done. Hired man's waiting. Might as well just go finish cutting the patch he's on. Make sure not to screw up right by the highway. Two hoppers already on that truck. He's gonna park it out here, that way we can get to it with the combines. Grandma's gonna take him over to the Peterbilt. He's gonna haul it off, and I'm gonna get cutting on the big part. There's another little patch over there Hardman's working on. You can see the dust. There goes Grandma. Figured I'd let him get by, because, well, give him a little time, because I don't know how long it'll take for that truck. Opening up another field. Got all that to do, which 2 combines, we'll get that done pretty quick. We'll probably get her done faster than the truck can keep up. But we're cutting along the road, and we're getting high 40s, so pretty good. Yeah, second trip around I'm making on this field. Alright, man, he's unloading right now. I'm hoping he goes over there and starts on one of them patches. Should. Cornfield's right over there on the horizon right there. Cut along it, go to the patch over there by that combine. And kind of just a little insight here. If any of you guys who've watched the videos traveled Highway 61 right by LaGrange and seen the old John Deere combine sitting along the road, no, it's kind of a landmark, I guess you'd say. That's what Danny Logsdon, who one who passed away, he owned this farm. That's what he always said. He said it's a landmark, and that is true. It is a landmark. We still use that as a landmark to this day. Somebody will be coming here and coming to our farm and coming from down south, and we'll say, it's overpass right by the John Deere combine. Or if somebody's coming from the north and they say, if you go to the John Deere combine, you're going too far. I guarantee every trucker that's traveled this road uses it as a landmark. And when we're doing work here, we need somebody to bring us something. We'll say they don't know what the field is by the name, because we've always called it the Wagner farm. Well, if somebody's helping us and they don't know what the Wagner farm is, we'll say, well, the field where the combine's at. So just a little insight on the farm we're at right now. Combine, it's sat there for many years for an old rundown combine. It is a landmark. He's going to cut out this middle patch right here, and right there on the corner, that's another patch. There's little waterways and ditches that separate them. We'll hop her down. We're definitely putting a hole in her now. Man, it's a good looking picture right there. cutting along. Rows are getting shorter. Man, here he comes rolling them Peterbilt. It's about time. I have a feeling when I get to the end of this pass, my blinker's going to be going on staying full because my back glass right here is covered up. The other truck, it's full, or we can fit a little bit on it, but it ain't worth it. I got pretty well full hopper, and the hired man should have close to a full hopper, so it'll be a partial load, but it won't fit on the Freightliner, so. Well, speaking of the devil, it is the blinking. There's my last hopper. Well, we got that farm done. Now I'm in the service truck taking it home. Grandpa and the hired man are in the Duramax. He's got to run the hired man over to the Brosey farm over there where we just got done. His pickup's over there, so he's got to go grab that, and then we're going to head in. We got a full load on the Freightliner and a partial load on the Peterbilt. They're going to haul them off tomorrow. There is a chance of rain tomorrow. I think it's about 40% is all it is. Then there's like a 10% chance Saturday, so either way, if it does rain, as long as it don't rain more than, I'd say, half an inch, we could probably still shell corn. Ground-wise, we can. But other than that, we are done custom cutting beans. That was the last field. Danny is done. All his rented farms are done. So, we're good there. Rick, we got his beans dealt with. All we got is some custom corn for Danny left and some custom corn for Rick. Then custom harvest is done and over with. Then we can move on to our own. I think the next farm of ours that we're going to is the Shoemake farm. I think this is the last year we're going to farm it. Me and Grandpa are going to split that one. What we get out of it. Then after that we should be able to move to the 80. That's the plan anyway. Kind of just a rough plan. What we hope to get done, but it's all about what the weather does and how our equipment holds up. But yeah, this is a relief being done with custom beans. We can roll on corn. We're going to take one combine to Rick because his is on 6 rows. Hired man's going to pick on it, and Grandpa's going to finish up corn here at LaGrange with the 8 row. It shouldn't take too long. Over here on Wagner, that cornfield there, It's the one that takes the longest because it's got some waterways and little hills here and there, so it's a bit time consuming to get opened up, but once you get it opened up and get past one of the waterways, it's good running. I shelled it last year. It would have been in beans last year. Grandpa cut it. I was shelling corn the year before. But anyway, this will be the end of this one. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.